flash.
In this regard, I would like to express my satisfaction with the dual judicial and ethical reaction of South Africa. Its referral to the International Court of Justice. Is based on the unwavering commitment Africa and to such values. It recalls with strong resonance the words of Nelson Mandela when he said, "We know very well that our freedom is incomplete without that of Palestine."
It is an honor to be with you today. Since we last met, the world has witnessed profound transformations shaped by geopolitical competition, economic challenge, climate change, and technological advancements. While we celebrate the African Union permanent membership in the G20 and the opportunity it gives the continent to be heard on global issues, there are still important questions we need to address. What role do we, Africans, want to play in this evolving global power structure?
I supported, on behalf of my country, the initiative taken by South Africa. And once again, I want to thank and encourage President Ramaphosa at the International Court of Justice to denounce the genocide which Israel is committing in Palestine on our nose. The international community cannot close its eyes on the atrocities that are committed, which has not only created chaos in Palestine, but also has disastrous consequences on the rest of the world. Indeed, what is happening there. Thus, I would like to call upon our Assembly to contribute, to put an end to the sufferings of the Palestinian people, and to continue to support the efforts aimed at establishing two states, Israel and Palestine, living side by side in peace and stability.